guys, look at this cute bunny. You want to come home? Come on, let's go home. No, don't go. Stay. Come back. Hey, bunny.